Welcome students. In this video we are going to see few more problems from exercise 2.5, that is question number 10 to 13. Again these questions are based on identities. So let us go to question number 10 and it is factorize. Now here the equation is the expression is 27y cube plus 125z cube. Now when we look at this particular algebraic expression of polynomial, what we see, it is cube of first term is cube of 3y and second term is cube of 5z. So it is sort of sum of two cubes, that is 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube. Now we have one identity for this, so we have a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now here what is a? So here a is equal to suppose 3y and b will be equal to 5z. So substituting the values in RHS, so you will get factors of that particular expression. Is it clear, children? So let us go for substituting the values. So we will get therefore 27y cube plus 125z cube is equal to a plus b, that is 3y plus 5z into 3y whole square minus product of 3y and 5z plus 5z whole square. Simplified, so you will get 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. So this is the answer or factorization. How many factors did you get? So we got two factors here, and the first factor is 3y plus 5z and the second one is 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Now the second factor, you cannot further factorize, so you will keep it as it is. Is it clear, children? Now second problem of similar kind. Now here it is 64m cube minus 343n cube. Now here, children, one thing you must know, that cube of few numbers. Because if you don't know cube of 7 or cube of 9, then you will be stuck in solving the problem. So 64 is cube of 4 and 343 is cube of 7. Isn't it? So let us go for writing. It is 4m whole cube minus 7n whole cube. Now it is very similar to the identity expression a cube minus b cube, and this identity is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So again a here is equal to 4m and b is equal to 7n. So putting the values, we get 64m cube minus 343n cube is equal to 4m minus 7n, and then 4m square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n square. So you can have it as 4m minus 7n into 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. So remember these two identities, a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Let us go to the next question. So next question is again factorize. Now here 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Now this is again another identity, and that is eighth identity. So let us see how can we write it. Now we can write first term as 3x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus this, the last term, is it similar to 3xyz? If it is 3xyz or 3abc, then we can go with the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, what is that identity, children? What is that identity? So that identity is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Now here what is a? Here a is equal to 3x, b is equal to y, and c is equal to z. Now put the values in abc in the given right hand side, then you will get the two factors. Is it clear? So therefore the given expression will be factorized as 3x plus y plus z, that is a plus b plus c, into 3x whole square plus y square plus z square minus 3x into y, that is 3xy, minus y into z, that is yz, and minus 3x into z, that is 3xz. One more step, because 3x whole square has to be replaced by 9x square, y plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. So first bracket will be as it is. So now we have factorized, and the factors are 3x plus y plus z into 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. Are you getting? So now next question. Next question will be verify the result. Now this question is very important. So in this case, what we need to verify? So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is coming out to be half of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Now whenever verify is there, we simplify LHS or RHS. Now here you will find LHS cannot be simplified, but RHS can be simplified. So we go for RHS. So RHS we have written once again. Now here x minus y whole square, and we know the identity that a minus b whole square is a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now for each these three brackets, we can use this identity and write down the expression and then simplify. So let us go for the next step. It is half x plus y plus z into x square minus twice xy plus y square minus twice yz plus z square, that is y minus z whole square, then plus z square minus 2zx plus x square, that is z minus x whole square. Can you see that we can gather some terms? So there are 2x square, there are 2y square, and there are 2z square. So we will combine these two, and we will get half into x plus y plus z into 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Can we take 2 common? So we have taken 2 common. So half into x plus y plus z into 2 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. 2 will cancel each other, isn't it? This 2 and 2 will cancel each other. So what is left? What is left? It is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now this particular expression, is it familiar? Are you familiar with this kind of expression? We have used this kind of expression, and it is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Are you getting? This is identity which we have studied. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Is it okay? Which expression, children? This particular right hand side. The last identity you need to work more because it is lengthy and very difficult to remember. So write that identity or learn that identity and take more efforts on that identity. Is it clear, children? So hence we have proved that RHS after simplification gives LHS, hence verified. Is it okay? So now next question, which is based on this previous one. So if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Now see, I'll go just back again and I'll tell you that here x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now what are they saying? That this particular bracket x plus y plus z is 0. If 0 is there, what will happen to RHS? RHS will become 0. That means x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will become 0, and hence you will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is one method to solve the problem, but we will have some other approach to solve. So now we have to prove that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. First type of answer we have just now seen by using that identity or that particular result of the previous, that is question number 12, or you can have this approach. So x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So can we write x plus y is equal to minus z? I have just shifted z or transpose z to RHS. So x plus y is equal to minus z. Now taking cube of both sides. So what will we get? X plus y whole cube is equal to minus z cube. Now what is x plus y whole cube? So it is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y is equal to minus z cube. Is it okay? But what is x plus y? X plus y is minus z. So put this minus z value in x plus y. Is it okay? So what will we obtain? We will obtain then x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into minus z is equal to minus z cube. Is it okay? Now from equation 1 we have written the minus z value for x plus y. Now further simplify, so x cube plus y cube minus 3xyz is equal to minus z cube. Now transpose minus 3xyz on RHS and bring minus z cube on LHS. So what will you obtain? What will you obtain? You will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Let me erase it. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Let me once again repeat. This particular problem can be solved by using the previous example result, or you can have this particular approach. I would suggest to write this particular approach in this particular type of solution in your classwork. Is it okay? But in examination you can go by any method. I hope you have understood, children. So thank you and wait for next video.